If you're currently running Google Ads, make sure that you have ad extensions turned on. Ad extensions is a way to make your ad look much bigger in real estate. Sometimes you'll see if you're searching on Google, how come some ads look smaller, some ads look much larger, and believe it or not, the large ads doesn't cost anything extra versus small ads, right? So let me show you how to make your ad look much bigger in real estate. And it's actually pretty simple. So what you do is make sure these are called ad extensions. So once you log in, make sure, for example, under extensions, there are many different type of extensions you can turn on. One is called site link extensions. So if this were your desktop ad, you get to control, right, the site link where, right, you can have 4 of these show up. Look at this, right? It makes the ad look huge. Calls 24/7. That's this one here, right? You can also put immediate needs, right? Cremations, funeral services. And these are called site link extensions. People can just tap this and then directly go to those pages. So for example, I'm making this up. You can put red shoes, brown shoes, green shoes, right? Purple shoes, and you can send people directly to those items that you want to promote. So that's called site link extensions. And let's explore other types of extensions. You can also put in call extensions. Call extensions will show up on mobile devices with a call button, right? On mobile devices, if you enable this, the families can just tap this and call you directly. On desktop, it also shows up there as well. Of course, people cannot tap it. They just have to dial from their phone. So again, that's free, right? Look at this. It makes your ad look much bigger again, and people can just tap it from their phone. The other type of extension would be local extensions. So if you're location-based business, make sure you have location turned on. That way, on the ad itself, I don't have an example here, it does show your address directly on the ad. Next is call out extensions. Call extensions, it shows up further, right? You can have as many ad extensions as you want. I'm sorry, call extension. And they will be shown, right? Let me show you on the desktop. Oops. So on the desktop, you will see that it shows up on here. Basically, you get another line on the ad itself, right? So it makes the ad look bigger again. And next is you can also put the different type of services you provide, right? Cremation services, pre-planning, funeral services, right? So just really going there, right? Really played with all the different types of extensions, and there's actually a lot. So, right, there's site link extension call out, stretch snippets, call extension, lead form. You can also message is texting, location extension that will display your address. Okay, affiliate location, that one doesn't do a whole lot. Pricing extension, that one is interesting. You get to put your pricing on there for the services you provide. Okay, so those are probably typically the big one. And promotion, if you have promotions here and there. So typically the ones we use are going to be site link extensions, which display the links into individual pages. Call out extension, basically just put in anything that you're unique selling proposition. I will put it in there, how you're different. Start your snippets, that's a good one to put on there. Call extension will display your phone number. We don't use the lead form too much. It doesn't work as well. Message extension, people can text you directly. And that's a good one to use if you're really by your phone all the time. Some certain industries work very well. Location extension, I will always enable that. If they're relatively close to you, the address will be displayed. Pricing extension, you can put from. So you don't need to put the exact pricing. You can put from cremation starting at 1100, right? Or you can put your packages in there. And promotion, if you run promotion here and there, does more for our other verticals like window and door. If you have promotions going on, we will enable that. But again, the whole gist is you want to make your ad look huge, right? So that's the whole purpose, is the more extensions you turn on, the bigger the ad will look on Google. And there's no guarantees that every little thing you turn on will be shown, but the more you turn on, the more likely it will be displayed. Okay, so this is a hack. I still see a lot of people are a little lazy when they're managing campaigns. They don't turn on all the ad extensions, and the ad extensions do help with the click-through rate. It will lower your it will increase your quality score and lower your cost. So just really go in there, audit your extensions, make sure the relevant ones, make sure they all turn on.